you know your facility, but you're not looking at the fire safety prevention or flammable liquids or hazards like that, like a fire safety officer is, fire prevention officer with your local fire department. And it's a good idea to have them come on your site, do an inspection of your barn, and point out those key things that could be wrong within your barn, and it helps to educate you. And plus, by taking education courses in prevention and fire safety, it goes a long way to add that information and knowledge to yourself so that you're going to prevent a fire possibly in the future from happening.